Are you sick of concentrating on your business while simultaneously creating a database and handling Google Sheets, API, Airtable, and files? Meet UseSQL, a tool that lets you integrate data from different apps and access the data stored in the programs you already use. Check out this product review to find a fantastic offer for you and your company. If you are interested in acquiring this software, you can get an exclusive price just by clicking on the link in the description below. You can unite your information across multiple programs from the ones you use to create effective databases. So why wait? Try UseSQL now. Also, check out our playlist specific to our recommended industry-leading software providers by visiting the following videos on the right side of your screen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more interesting deals like this one. Thanks for watching. See you next time.